What's up, guys? Welcome back to another rochielin video. Thank you to the family for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for tuning in every week where I post these house hunting videos and many other videos around Jamaica, showing the lifestyle, showing the culture, showing the people, showing the vibes, you know. Me just appreciate it so much. You don't know, we're trying to bring across the positives and showing you what's really going on here in Jamaica. And as the world opens up and we start to travel again, we'll show you what's going on around the world. Thank you all for being here. Today is another house hunting video, and the usual, I'm taking you on my journey of house hunting and showing you guys some of the properties that are there, that are available, and help you out and help out those of you that are also in the market looking for properties. Now I'll share some of the contact details below so you can contact them if you choose to and go schedule a viewing, right? Before we continue, I'm asking you kindly to like this video. Press that like button, it helps me out a whole lot. Leave a comment below as we go through each listing. Let me know what you like, what you dislike, what are some of your thoughts on some of the things that are shown, some of the properties that are shown. What would you have preferred to see in that property, and some of the things that maybe the landlord can update, or what you love about it. You know, let me know, let me talk. I respond to most of the comments and I could just have a chat. Send your friends, let them come and join us on the journey. Let them subscribe so we can grow the family. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers, so you don't know, let's do this together. Thank you all so much for being here. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Alright, so let's start with house number 1, and right now we're in the kitchen area. We have the wooden cabinetry, and off to the side here you have the living dining room. And as we continue walking through, this door is the first bedroom that has 2 very big windows. It has high ceilings. There's an air conditioning unit in there as well. There's a closet off to the side. Again, the high ceilings with a lovely fan and storage up top. Here's another view of the first bedroom. And off to the side here, the entrance of the bedroom is additional storage. Then we come to the bathroom area right here. It's very big actually. There's just a sink, the toilet, and the tub, but the spacing is pretty decent. And here is bedroom number 2 that has 1 window instead of 2 like the other one, and the same closet and the high ceilings and a fan. Now let's go around to the wash area.
It's a shared washroom, but you have your own space where it's connected to your meter, and you are able to lock off your meter from your apartment. So if you're not here, you can lock it off so that no one will be able to use your machine or your water. Same thing for your pipe, it should be yours. You get to lock out the keys to keep whatever you want, laundry detergent. Right?
Awesome. So the apartment we viewed just now is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen in one, right? It has a wash area which is on the outside, shared wash area, but you're able to have your own washing machine in that area, etc. That is $75,000, and that's on Shortwood Road, right along the main road. I believe that for what you're getting, and for the area, because it's right down from Stella Maris, I think the $75,000 that they're asking for is reasonable. I mean, I would prefer it to be $60,000, but in terms of what is being offered in the market right now, and then for the location, I think the 75 is alright. I like the fact that them clean the place, you know, it's nice and tidy, the yard space is nice and tidy. It's an apartment, so you have several persons living in the complex, but they can see that it is well maintained. What do you think?
I agree. The fact that it is close to Stella Maris, and the people have put a lot of thought into making it, you know, really habitable. You know, the 75 can cut it, but you know, we always wish that it would be a little lower.
Yeah.
You know.
But I think it's a good space. The bedrooms are quite big. The living room, the kitchen clean. You know, bathroom. The bathroom was big too.
Oh yeah, it was huge.
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're interested, the contact details are listed below. Now on to the next property. So let's go. So up the stairs we go into this 1-bedroom unit. Here we are in the living room. Wooden floors, high ceilings, light in the ceiling. Now we're entering into the bathroom area, which is typical: bathtub, face basin, and a toilet area. Just off the side of the bathroom is the closet area. We now head into the bedroom, which has the same wooden floors all throughout the apartment actually, and it has 2 big windows, as you can see. And now we're heading back into the living room, which also has the wooden floor because, you know, it's consistent throughout the entire apartment. High ceilings again, as mentioned before. And then we're gonna head to the kitchen area, which seems to have been recently remodeled or renovated. So this is what the cabinetry is looking like. This unit also has a balcony which overlooks the yard space, which is actually very big. This is what the yard is looking like on the outside. It's massive. And that's the house. So the apartment we viewed just now is 1 bedroom with bathroom, a living room that you can convert to living and dining, and then a kitchen area. It's a part of one of those older great houses kind of vibe. So it has a very big yard space, very big house that, you know, they tried to renovate and bring up to par now so that it can be rented. It is $60,000 and it's on Devon Road, which is just down the street from Devon House, which, as you know, Devon House is one of a monumental building, one of the national heritage sites, right? In terms of the cost, $60,000. For the area in general, a $60,000 1-bedroom in that general area is what is being asked. It's a good price, right? It's just that for me, the renovation that was done, I don't think it's sufficient. I mean, they tried to bring it up to par, and I get that it's an older home, so I guess that if you're into like older, more antique vibe, this would match your style. Personally, I think a little bit more work could have been done, but it's not horrible at the same time. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, they have red floors, they polish the red floors, so it shine up and look much
red
better.
As in wooden.
If
you're into wooden floors, you want to bring back the old memories, you know, but still, I think a little bit more work could have been done to make it a little bit more, you know, modern.
Yeah, that's the word, modern. It's not very modern, but I know that I guess they're trying to keep the great house, but still it could have still look a little more modern. But the $6,000, it's central, very good location. I mean, you're next to everything, you're around the road from everything. literally, and you have a big yard space to play with. So if that's something that you're interested in, then the contact details are listed below. You know, we're here to help. We're just helping y'all, you know. Thanks for watching, and before we continue, just remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media pages at rochielin. And without further ado, let's get to the next viewing. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we start in the kitchen of this 2-bedroom townhouse. This is what the cabinetry is looking like. Wooden cabinetry, and then we turn to this section, which is the living and dining area. And then as we go all the way to the back, we get to see what's really on the back porch, or what's in the back area here. There's a clothesline down there, and there's a little back balcony. And let's reverse a little bit and see what the space really has. Let's go upstairs. So downstairs is really the living and dining area, and there's a bathroom downstairs as well, but upstairs is really where, you know, the bedrooms are. So it's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So this is the first of 2 bedrooms. It has 2 windows, no air conditioning unit. It has a closet inside as well. The ceiling isn't very high, but it's not very low either. As you can see across the hall there, that's the other bedroom and the bathroom just in the middle. So this is bedroom number 2, and you can see the internet wiring there for either floor or digital cable. You have a window to let in some light, and a little closet right there. Yep, let's head back out into the hall and get a peep at what the bathroom looks like real quick. Yeah, this is it. Bathtub, face basin, toilet, regular bathroom stuff. Back into the first bedroom to show the closet, and right outside of the bedroom has the additional storage. You know, they tend to have this in a lot of the units. There's always some additional storage right at the end. And as you can see, that's the first room, the bathroom, and then the other bedroom, and then there's a bathroom downstairs. Here's also additional storage downstairs next to the kitchen, so it does have quite a bit of storage. So if storage is what you're looking for, then there are different places that you can store. And this is the back porch now, where you can hang your stuff, and there's place to have a washing machine. So it's piped for a machine on the outside, and then you have the sink, so you can utilize out here as you wish. Alright, so the unit we just looked at is 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen, townhouse, with around the back has the wash area, and a little back door kind of vibe that you, a little outside area around the back. So you're in a complex really, but you're fenced off, you know, because it's a townhouse. Yeah. Right? It's off that road where Lee's supermarket is, so it's off Red Hills Road, right? And it is all the way up to a dead end. Now the asking price is 85,000 Jamaican dollars for rental. Personally, I think it's a bit high. For the area, I think it's a bit high. $85,000 for a townhouse in general is reasonable if you're just looking at 85 for a townhouse, but 85 for a townhouse off Red Hills Road right there specifically, and then for it not being very updated, I think it's a tall ask, but me know say some people won't mind that. So if you don't mind that, then it's below. And just remember that these are my opinion. They're not gospel. You take it how you want it. If you need professional advice, please consult a professional. But remember, this is my opinion, right? What do you think about it?
Yeah, I think being in the dead end, it's not really an upscale area, and it needs a little bit more work as well. I think 85, it can live in, it's livable.
Yeah,
but
horrible.
The 85 doesn't match what you're getting for it.
Yeah, when I talk about value, I don't think
money
that
now.
is value. But you know what I mean?
60 would have done.
60 would have been okay, especially for the neighborhood. But if you are interested and you have $85,000, by all means, boo, go ahead. I'll leave some details below. And thank you guys for making it this far in the video. I appreciate you guys so much. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on each of the listings so far. Help me to help you by commenting, by subscribing, sending a friend, sharing it, and also get you one of the rochielin merch on the website. It's at rochielin.com/shop. Okay, so let's go. So this is another 2-bedroom unit, and as you enter through the living room, or what would be considered the living and dining room, over to the kitchen. As you make a left, this is where you see the bedrooms and bathroom, and this is the bedroom that has windows and air conditioning unit, light in the ceiling, very nicely tiled floors, and a closet just off to the side. This room has its own bathroom, so you see the sink, the toilet, sliding glass shower, and then we head over to the other room. It's a lot of doors, I know. And this also is definitely just a duplicate. The same windows from the other room, same closet, and then it also has another bathroom. So there are 2 bathrooms in total, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom in this unit. And both rooms have a closet. Is the inside wash area, and it's piped for a washing machine, and it has a little sink there. And then now we're back into the kitchen / living dining room, and then out here is a little veranda balcony kind of vibe. And this is what the unit looks like. This next unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, living, dining, kitchen. It's in a complex. It's in Havendale, and the asking price is 115,000 Jamaican dollars. Right? As you guys saw just now, it's a decent 2-bedroom, bathroom. It's a little basic for the price. Right, it's a very good area. Havendale, I show it a lot on the channel, but I think the $115,000 is a tall ask for what you're getting. If you know what I mean. That would been 75 would have been okay. 60, 75, 85 max for the area. But I think $115,000 for what is shown is a little bit much for me. I don't know what you think. What do you think? Would that be something you're interested in? And if you are, the contact details are below. Leave your comment. Let me know your view. What do you think?
Yes, I think so. I think it's really basic. We have seen much better. We have seen for less price,
Yeah. So it's a good space.
Nonetheless, the area is good.
Don't get me wrong. So it's a good 2-bedroom and bathroom and living room and kitchen and whatever. I just not think it worth more than $100,000. That's all. For $100,000, I expect posh. You know what I mean? Nice. That now probably want 70 grand and you say, yeah man, this good. You know what I mean?
80 max.
Yeah. So let me know your thoughts below, and as I say, help me to help you by commenting and subscribing and sharing and telling all your friends. Alright? So on to the next property again. Let's go. So this one took us a little bit of time to figure out, but we eventually got it. So we'll start off in what's considered to be one of the bedrooms, and then we go down to this passageway, and off to the right here is a bathroom area, and then this room we're entering into is another bedroom, and then off to the left this is the wash area right here, and you go through this passage door and you make a right and you know into the kitchen. Yeah, it's a little confusing. And this is a back port, and then this is what the back of the yard is looking like. And you see they're building something towards the back, I guess more apartments. So I guess that will be coming on stream soon. I don't know, but this is what it is looking like. So now, just to see, this is what the first bedroom looks like. It has a fan, and it has 2 windows, and it has connection for cable. So it looks like, after rewatching the footage, I can see that this was a living room, but it is now being advertised as a bedroom. And the fact that it's advertised as a bedroom means that it has no living room. So it's 2-bedroom, the living room. And that's it. This is what the closet is looking like in bedroom number 2, and just a close-up of the washing area right here. And again, let's go into the kitchen. Let's take a deeper look at the bathroom. A deeper look at the bedroom. And yeah, that's about it really. Alright, so that unit we viewed just now is a 2-bedroom. It's advertised as a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, living, kitchen, dining for $55,000. It's on Dupont Road. Yeah, it's off Red Hills Road, right? But after doing the walkthrough, we realized there is only 2 bedrooms. There's no living room, and then there's kitchen and a bathroom and a wash area. So there's no living room. But when I went through, I realized that you could actually turn one of the bedrooms into a living room if you absolutely need a living room, and just have it as 1 bedroom and a living room, bathroom, kitchen, right? But as is, it's just 2 rooms and no living. So wait, as you enter, you pass through the first bedroom, you go through the As you enter, you pass through the first bedroom, you go through the living room, you pass through the second bedroom in order to go around to the washroom, and then to go to the kitchen. So you walk through everywhere to go through the entire house, right? So it's kind of set up in a little weird way. I guess that's why they're asking for $55,000, but I really don't think it should pass $40,000, to be honest. $40,000 at most, you know, because it definitely needs some working on. It definitely needs some renovating and some modernizing. What do you think?
Yes, it's really a 1 bedroom, but I think somebody is using their brain to say it's a 2-bedroom. It's really a 1-bedroom, because that first room, the first room that we entered, is not a bedroom. It's a living room. Can't you see the cable stuff right there? It's really the living room. Yes, the cable stuff are still there. Right, so
I guess we can have cable in your bedroom.
listen to me, man. No living room, no did there. No did there. They might try and use them brain for say it's 2-bedroom. It's a 1-bedroom with a living room.
Yeah.
Not even dining, with a living room, because that would have been the living room, right? And then a 1-bathroom.
Yeah.
Right?
But it needs some work though. It's a nice yard. It's a big yard.
Yes.
It's a big house, but
And plus they're putting up a bigger structure
around the back.
Yeah.
So it's just
that you need somebody younger to put a little more modern touch to it.
Yeah.
Right, because it's an old lady that is, you know, the proprietor.
But $55,000 is one of the least expensive asks for this video right now. So if that's your budget, then this may be the right place for you. So you know what to do. And let's continue to the last viewing of the day. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so this is the final apartment for this video, and this is a 1-bedroom unit. It's off Manningsville Road. This is the living, kitchen and dining room area. It's the ceiling, the fan in the ceiling, and let's move along. Let's get another view of what the living, kitchen and dining room is looking like. And then we enter straight to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. It has an AC unit. There's a closet and there's a bathroom off to the side. One thing I must say about this unit is that it is extremely noisy. You can literally hear everything from the street because it is on the main road. So you're hearing everything from outside. So that may be a drawback, but I know some people may not mind that. But that's definitely a consideration. As we move back through the bedroom, there is a patio area, a balcony off to the back. And on the balcony, we can see where we have the heater, and then we have piping for washing machine and also a sink over there. You can literally hear everything that's happening on the outside. You can hear every single thing. Everything from the road though. See, so this is, you're literally across from this Texaco. This is Mary Brown's corner. So for those of you that know, you're hearing everything from over there. Just listen. So there you have it. This is the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being loyal supporters. Thank you for being true family members. Appreciate every single one of you. I hope you've left even one comment below. If you haven't already, go and comment something. Let me get to see what you think of this video. Leave a like, press that like button, and definitely send your friends to come and subscribe and join the family. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. I appreciate it more than I can think, honestly. Let me know some suggestions of videos that you'd like to see in the comment below, and I could just vibe, I could just chill. And for those of you, this video will be posted the day before Heroes Day in Jamaica, so I say happy Heroes Day to all of you, and let's acknowledge our heroes, because they've done a great deal for us in the past, and we have to bear in mind what happened in the past to know how to plan for the future. You know what I mean? A video is coming tomorrow, by the way, which I know you guys will love. Check that out. It will be all about Jamaica. See me? So thank you guys again, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Let's go.